In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in GoDaddy cPanel 2026. Find and access cPanel in GoDaddy hosting. If you're managing a website on GoDaddy's cPanel hosting, cPanel is where you control everything behind the scenes: files, databases, email accounts, SSL, backups, and more. The quickest, most reliable way to reach it is through your GoDaddy account, and I'll walk you through the exact path so you can get there in a couple of clicks. Start by going to GoDaddy's website and logging into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your account dashboard. If you manage more than one account or have multiple profiles, make sure you're in the correct customer account where your hosting is active. This helps avoid confusion later when you're looking for the right plan. Next, navigate to the My Products page. This is your central hub that lists everything you own with GoDaddy: domains, websites, email, and hosting. If you don't see it right away, look for the account menu and select My Products. Give the page a moment to load fully so all your subscriptions appear. It's normal for this page to be a bit long if you have several services. Now scroll to the web hosting section and locate the plan labeled cPanel. This label matters. GoDaddy offers different hosting types, and only plans specifically marked as web hosting cPanel will have the cPanel admin option. If you have multiple hosting plans, pick the one tied to the domain you want to manage. When you found it, click Manage. That opens the hosting dashboard for that specific account. Inside the hosting dashboard, look toward the top right corner for the cPanel admin button. Click it, and GoDaddy will securely log you into cPanel using single sign-on. In many cases, this opens in the same tab. Sometimes it may open a new tab or take a moment to establish the session. Once it loads, you're in cPanel and can start managing features like File Manager, MySQL databases, email accounts, and SSL TLS. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see web hosting cPanel under My Products, you may be looking at a different type of plan. Only cPanel hosting will show the cPanel admin button. If the button is grayed out or spinning, wait a few seconds and try again, or refresh the page. If a new tab doesn't open, check your browser's pop-up settings. And once you're in cPanel, consider bookmarking the page, though the GoDaddy route is the most consistent way to get in every time. That's it. Log into GoDaddy, open My Products, click Manage on your web hosting cPanel plan, then hit cPanel admin. You're ready to work.